is a great looking iPhone 13 case. Still works with MagSafe charging. Replaceable buttons. With replaceable buttons. It came with red and yellow. The default is black. It has great protection, raised edge, precise cutout for the camera. As you can see, the camera lens really sit under this raised edge. Looks fantastic. This matte black. And let me show you how the buttons can be replaced. And offers great protection. For example, if I want to replace this red button to use the yellow, can be easily done like that. And the same applies to the other buttons. Still enough space for the speakers and microphone, charging ports. Most importantly, it works with MagSafe charger. And I have sufficient protection around the phone edge. Not really worried about the drops anymore. Torras shockproof case for iPhone 13. Replaceable buttons. Excellent build quality. Let's try it out. Fits perfectly. All the buttons are responsive.